Hey guys, how's it going? Today, let's take a look at this 2007 Mitsubishi Galant GTS 3.8 V6. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Galant. Start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, my Bob Mayberry Hyundai in Monroe, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. It's got a metallic burgundy exterior with two-tone black and gray leather interior. Very nice. It's got a full leather wrapped steering wheel, nice and tight, rides good sporty feel. It's also got a 5-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability. And let's go ahead and count the headlights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? The Galant boasts sporty styling as well as nice performance, impressive crash test rating, as well as plenty of room for four. Definitely right up your alley if you're looking into a sports sedan. Raised hood blending off into the grille. "17" alloy wheels. Angular tail lamps, blending off into the integrated rear spoiler. Polished exhaust tip. And let's go and pop the hood. This Galant GTS is powered by a 3.8-liter single overhead cam V6, 24 valve, produces 230 horsepower at 5250 RPM, and 250 foot-pounds of torque at 4000 RPM. It is front-wheel drive with 4-wheel independent suspension, and on premium unleaded gas, the EPA estimates the miles per gallon rating for this vehicle at around 16 city, 25 highway, with a 17.7 gallon fuel tank. Your two-tone door panels with padded insert, dark wood accents across the doors, as well as the dash, storage down below, power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. You also have a fully powered leather driver's seat with side airbags. There's your trunk release down below, and also a tilt steering wheel. And let's go and see how she sounds. And you do have blue backlit gauges if you didn't notice that earlier. You have your interior illumination and traction control next to the fog light switch. Simple to use climate control, temperature, rear defrost for cycling, one-touch AC, and your different zones and front defrost. Compact disc player audio system is MP3 compatible. Two-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger, power outlet, cup holders, your 6 preset stations, FM, AM, CD, repeat. Press this for your audio settings. Here's a nice sounding audio system. You also have your digital clock also in that little heads-up display. Intermittent wipers, cruise control, power outlet and storage, tissue dispenser. Alrighty. Gonna shut her down. We'll check out the back seat. Decently sized rear seat. Nicely contoured, sportive. Yeah, storage pocket behind the driver's seat. Kind of scooped out to allow for more leg room. Overhead lighting, coat hook. You also have a trunk pass-through. Airbags to the rear passengers. Roomy trunk. Spare tire located down below. It's a manual passenger seat. Not bad at all. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour of the 2007 Mitsubishi Galant. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.